SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off flash notification on iPhone. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If your iPhone is currently configured so that the flash on the back of the device goes off when you get a notification, and you would like to turn it off, then you can do so by opening the Settings app, scrolling down, and choosing the Accessibility option. You can then scroll down again and choose the audio-visual option in the hearing section of the menu. Now you need to scroll to the bottom of this menu and choose the LED flash for alerts option. Now you just need to turn off the LED flash for alerts setting, and your iPhone flash is no longer going to go off when you receive alerts or notifications.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.